welcome back to the channel. As you know, it's New Year's Eve, and I just wanted to make a little video with you guys just to like share, basically just share what's my New Year's resolution. And I want you guys to tell me what's your New Year's resolution down in the comments below. I'm so excited. I'm not really doing anything for the New Year's. I'm just gonna be chilling tonight, so I thought it was a good time to like make a little video. Excited, but what fast now? The business I know. What are you guys' resolutions? As well as, of course, I'm gonna share mine with you guys. So, whew.
Yeah.
What?
What you know?
I'm having a little chat with my people about or what's gonna be our New Year's resolutions and stuff like that.
Greetings from across the world, and I say, I'm dirty for mother here. I'm dirty for mother. Dirty for mother, I'm dirty for mother. Police, you know, I'm dirty for mother. Yeah, right, that's something. I'm general, right, that's something. Dirty.
Why are you wearing that jacket?
Oh, you don't know, so the place cool, man. Across the world, you know. Private, out of the world, cool, man.
I was trying to have a constructive. I can't even find the word the more I say. Like, I was here having like a good conversation.
Yo, I'm saying, even though so I'm going from the north, come this, me, no, me get dark, medicine on me, get dark, medicine on me. Me get dark, medicine on me. Me get dark, and I'm going to do it.
Yeah, I brought my glasses. I brought my
Me
glasses.
get dark, medicine on me.
So we are sending greetings to.
The viewers from across
Men have a New Year's resolution. Men have a send greetings from across the world. Like, are you freaking serious right now?
Oh.
I still want to know where
Yeah,
you're
don't
about that
put
jacket.
mother. Yeah, don't put mother. Don't think pinky way I said. Talk to them, man. Talk to them. Tell them what you used to rap on them thing. Pinky cute, you know. Yeah,
Fun fact about me, guys. I used to sing and DJ like back in the days, like a couple years ago. Kill me dead, me daga boss, and me daga be a big DJ. Oh my god. One of these days, I have to play one of my songs for you guys to hear because I swear I'm not gonna laugh and roll and cry.
Big up though from across the world. I mean, my big mouth, man. My big lip mother. Big up to my father them gully side door for real. Real. For real. Yeah, dude.
Jenny, like why are you spoiling my video? Like, I can't end the New Year's like this. Me I try to end the New Year's with a bang. I have a little conversation with people that you come with your foolishness about greetings from across the world. Like, you know, I've done it for though.
You ain't fully seen out. Now I grew up on town, I thought I grew up on town, scam, grandma.
Scam a guy jail.
Yeah, don't know the thing.
Scam a guy jail. Yeah, I'm seeing somebody I laugh with you right now.
Grew up on town, scam. Scam. Yeah, man. I'm not like that.
So guys,
no,
my New Year's resolution. Why are you bombarding my video? Yeah. What?
Jacket hot. It's hot, man. No. Can't wear jacket down there. Under the yard, you know. It's hot. Put up on dead, you know. All that thing. Out of the door. Out of the cold, man. Tell you.
Alright, greetings from across the world to my uncle Mas Jordan at Trelawney.
Never ate me the word.
I'm gonna buy you 10 new pig for the new, no, Christmas gone for the New Year's, so.
Master do a like she tell. She broke like dog. She can't even feed herself, man. She broke.
This was not the intent of the video that I was going to make. Jane, can you leave?
She broke like dog. She broke like dog, guys. She's broke. She's broke. Just you know what's going on. Yeah, no, but the dance first, you know. Talk to them. Hey, I don't encourage that to them. Feel me? I just am a doctor at about now, but I don't encourage.
Jane, we're not going in your yard. We're not going back in your yard.
I mean, I do.
Which part of your dog?
What I mean? I'm 8 to 2. I should even know.
Anyways, guys, so my New Year's resolution.
We go to the ghetto youths. Shout out 5E, shout out Cumberland. Hey. East Oak Ridge. There's some guy from East Oak Ridge. Kingston 8, I don't know. Who else? Come on, man. Chat to them.
So my New Year's resolution is basically, I don't know.
Say partner. Who else you want to shout out? Talk to them.
Yo, me what up him nasty. Yo. Which part? So which part? my New Year's resolution, guys, is basically just gonna be to like, I mean, it's stuff that I've already been doing, like focusing on myself.
Focus on yourself. Focus on yourself. Catch my shoes. Catch my drink.
Yo.
Ramp with me
What
fan
am
like
I?
blue schools. Back to them make you wanna feel it. I don't know about me.
Are you dumb? But boxing that we can man feel it. Go around, man.
I don't know about me. Make it
So-
everything.
2024, my New Year's resolution, guys, basically is just gonna be, but it's not gonna try to stay in my bag. Try for like, what? Stop.
You don't know the thing going on.
Hopefully, I don't want you to nothing though. So hopefully we can finally accomplish my video, guys.
People, you don't know,
so
so me, my New Year's resolution, when my friend wanna get dark, you don't know the thing going on. Run couple drill. Chat to them. Chat to them when my scope on them thing.
So guys, I hope that you guys are serious about your New Year's resolutions. Drop them in the comments because I want to know what it is. And I'm so sorry for the video. I'm sorry for the disturbance. This was not the intent. So anyways, guys,
Go on.
my New Year's resolution is basically going to be things that I've already been doing. Basically, the main thing is working on myself.
Preach. Preach.
The main thing is working on myself, you know, like there's so much going on that I'm gonna be sharing with you guys for the new year.
Police, you know what, and boys, I'm gonna find out on the street, watch your mouth. Don't forget. Drive out, over fall back, you don't know. I'm greeting Mr. John. You can also one day I must stop pick yam. You know the thing going on.
You know, so I not laugh because all in my mind, something funny. I get up, I'm say, I make my nice, good. Stop jumping people in place. I want the ninja kid. You don't know? Take the stage.
To the stage. You don't know I'm full of rage. Dark like night.
So the video went left, guys.
I'm
But
dark!
Your mission accomplished?
Dark!
Your mission accomplished?
Darker than the TV when it lock off! I'm dark!
You're gonna
But
make a
dark.
video for yourself, you know. You're gonna make a video for
I'm
yourself.
dark! I'm dark!
Good night, guys. Good night. Happy New Year's when it
I'm
comes.
dark!
Look at my TV. Look at my
I'm
video.
dark!
You're an idiot.
Hey. I can't even within the room when you talk about New Year's resolution. So I'm gonna come home for crash out. I'll mash up the video real quick. I can go back on the
Say
room.
come mash up my video. Why you never make your own video? You could have make your own video. Like,
No,
you know nothing to do?
better for mash up your video. Why I'm learning this? No, nothing to do. You don't know, but fully to know what you know with that. You know, guys. That's all we do. We just get dark. Just get dark, man. Yeah. We go on the street.
Happy
we go
New
in the street
Year's
and we get
Eve,
dark,
guys,
dude.
and Happy
Dude,
New Year's when it
Dude,
comes.
we go in the street, dude, and we get dark,
Good
man, dude.
night.